Imagine a time 60,000 years ago when two human species roamed the earth, Homo sapiens and Neanderthals. For years, scientists believed these two groups never crossed paths, but recent discoveries have rewritten our understanding of human history. It turns out humans and Neanderthals did interbreed, and their genetic legacy lives on in us today. Advancements in genomics have allowed scientists to sequence ancient DNA, revealing that many people of European and Asian descent carry traces of Neanderthal genes. In fact, modern non-African humans share 1 to 2% of their DNA with Neanderthals. This astonishing discovery came after years of studying Neanderthal fossils and comparing their genomes with that of contemporary humans. The evidence is clear. When early humans left Africa and migrated into Europe and Asia, they encountered Neanderthals and in some cases mated with them. But what did we inherit from these ancient relatives? Well, some of the traits we got from Neanderthals include immune system genes that help us fight off infections, adaptations to cold climates that made it easier to survive in harsher environments, and even physical features like a slightly stronger jaw or different skin tones. In fact, research suggests that Neanderthal genes may have influenced the development of skin color and hair texture in modern humans. What does this mean for people with exclusively African ancestry? It means that without the genetic mixing with Neanderthals, certain traits commonly found in non-African populations didn't develop in African populations. For example, traits like adaptations to cold climates and certain immune system changes linked to Neanderthal DNA were not inherited by those who stayed in Africa. Specifically, some immune system changes influenced by Neanderthal genes include adaptations related to the body's response to viruses and bacteria. Neanderthal DNA is thought to have contributed to the development of immune responses that help protect against infections like the flu and other respiratory diseases. Some modern humans, especially those of European or Asian descent, carry these genetic traits which might have given their ancestors an advantage in surviving viral infections. However, these adaptations were not passed on to African populations who evolved their own immune system responses based on the diseases prevalent in their environment, such as malaria and other tropical infections. In essence, while African populations did not inherit some of the Neanderthal traits, particularly those related to cold adaptation and viral immunity, they preserved unique immune system traits that helped them thrive in Africa's distinct environmental challenges. These ancient genes have left us with a fascinating legacy. Some of our immune responses today can be traced back to Neanderthals, giving us an edge against diseases. Some traits, like adaptations to cold climates, also have their roots in this interbreeding. But it's not just about survival. Our interactions with Neanderthals may have also played a role in our evolution as a species, influencing everything from behavior to physical appearance. The discovery of human Neanderthal interbreeding has revolutionized the way we think about our past. Far from being isolated, early humans and Neanderthals were part of a much more complex, interconnected world. And as we continue to study our shared history, we learn more about how our ancestors shaped who we are today. So, what do you think? How does the idea that Neanderthals are part of our genetic makeup change the way we view our history? And what traits do you think you might have inherited from them? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below.